Northeast. In 1922, 11 Don Bosco's missionaries of different nationalities from Spain, France, Portugal, Italy, they have arrived in Shillong, the then capital of Assam. On 13 January 1922, they reached Shillong and took up their assignments there. At present, there are 3 provinces in Northeast India: Guwahati Province, Dimapur Province, and Shillong Province. To commemorate the centenary, the Don Bosco Society have planned various events. On 12 January 2022, there will be solemn inauguration of the centenary year at Don Bosco.
Hey, guys. Yeah.